San Jose, California restaurants. San Jose, California has a vibrant food scene with a wide variety of restaurants to choose from. Here are a few recommendations across different cuisines. Here are a few recommendations for different cuisines. 1. The Table, known for its farm-to-table concept. The Table offers a seasonal menu with locally sourced ingredients. It's a great place for contemporary American cuisine. 2. Zona Rosa, this restaurant serves delicious Mexican food with a modern twist. From tacos to mole, Zona Rosa offers an authentic Mexican dining experience. 3. Falafel's Drive-In. If you're in the mood for Middle Eastern cuisine, Falafel's Drive-In is a must-visit. Their falafel sandwiches and banana shakes are highly recommended. 4. Sushi Confidential. As the name suggests, this restaurant offers fantastic sushi rolls and other Japanese dishes. It's a popular spot for sushi lovers in San Jose. 5. La Victoria Taqueria. For quick and tasty Mexican food, La Victoria Taqueria is a go-to spot. Their famous orange sauce adds a unique flavor to their tacos and burritos. 6. Arcadia. Located in the Marriott San Jose, Arcadia is a fine dining restaurant offering steak and seafood dishes. It's an excellent choice for a special occasion or a fancy night out. 7. Vung Tau Restaurant. If you're craving Vietnamese cuisine, Vung Tau Restaurant serves delicious pho, spring rolls, and other Vietnamese specialties. 8. Maggiano's Little Italy. This Italian restaurant chain offers classic Italian dishes in a family-style setting. Their pasta dishes and desserts are particularly popular. 9. The City Fish. Known for its seafood dishes, the City Fish offers everything from fish and chips to clam chowder. It's a casual spot perfect for seafood lovers. 10. The Boiling Crab. This restaurant is famous for its Cajun-style seafood boils. Pick your seafood, sauce, and spice level, and enjoy a messy but delicious dining experience. These are just a few options among the many great restaurants you can find in San Jose. Whether you're in the mood for Asian cuisine, Mexican food, or something else entirely, you'll surely find something to satisfy your cravings in this diverse city. Find more vlogs at https://www.souphats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources, fin.